how to create and insert data into the date, I mean not data, date into Google Docs. We're gonna go to the insert and we're gonna click on date. So right click and then it says what you wanna, what day you want it. Okay, so you, for example, if it's 2020, so maybe let's back up to 2025, for example. I'm gonna go a lot into it 2022. This is 3. We want January 2025. So this is 2004. Right now, we're gonna go right now to January number 1. So you can see right now it's added, and you can see it's very nice, automatic. So also the good part of this is you can, all right, at this time, book or schedule your meeting. Now the good part is whenever the user wanted to somehow just come in here, it says in 4 years. Okay, it shows completely the duration and everything. So you can also change it as well. And then you can have of course you can have a book meeting as well. So you can click in here and then it goes to the next page, and then it allows you to go to the Google Calendar and really book your meeting, okay, in that year, in that 4 years. So you can see right now, I'm gonna click got it, and so you can see right now it's already added to that date, to that specific time, and I can add so much more of that. Okay, so that is it about that, and you can add conference calling, all of that is available. Also, you have the settings in, well, you can click in here and how does it should show January 1, January 01, or January 1st, 2025, or like that. Insert data by typing at today, at tomorrow, at yesterday, or at July 13th. So by code, you can also add the date, how you can do it. Let's do it in here. Add today. So you can click in here, today's date. So you can click, and now it's today's date. And you can say yesterday. So yesterday's date. All right, you can say tomorrow. And it's already coming. You can see right now, date, today's date, tomorrow's date, or this one. You can say anything you wanted, okay? So that's the cool part of Google Docs, that its new version coming up, and it's amazing. All right, use it wisely.